Yeah, thank you very much. My name is Kidega, Nok RDC Agago. I'm here in Adilang Primary School, whereby I'm monitoring the exam. Today in the morning, when the examiners are trying to reach all the primary school, it was very difficult in the morning, whereby the rain at night was raining and all the streams were full. We were cut off had to reach schools. So we started exam late. I'm happy now that we are winding up at this time. When you see that side, the children are still coming out from the exam. But I would like to thank the teachers. I would like to thank the examiners for enduring to see that these children sat actually their exam, because it was not easy for them to sit today. It was very difficult. You find out motorbike got spoiled, vehicle got stuck on the road, other people walked with the exam to the schools.
What could have been the cause of delay?
The cause of delay was this rain. You know, the rain locked out everybody. The stream, the water was full on the road. When you see when we were coming, my vehicle was pushed. Every corner it was raining. So it was not easy for the examiners to carry the exam from the headquarters, from the district to each and every school. I had to reach schools were there, and that's why it took some time for the children to start. They started by 10. Others started by 11. Others are still finishing afternoon lesson in the evening, afternoon exam in the evening. So this one is a disaster. I think the politicians should get out of this thing. This is a disaster that has happened, not that the government wanted it to happen. When rain comes, you have no control over it. It is a calamity for every district. It's not only Agago. This thing is viral. It is in Pade. I call Kid Gum was there. Everybody was locked. When you see Kid Pade was locked, people were stuck in Porugali. So every place was flooded. So this flood has caused us a lot of delay in exam. So I think the politician should know what to communicate to the community. They are saying to community, this government that has brought rain. That's why the road is spoiled. I think this is a disaster for everybody. It is not happening even in Uganda only, not even in Africa only. You find in India, in other places, this disaster happened. So we need to see how do we combat. That's why there is the committee of disaster in the district. So now we are going to assess the damage of the what? Of the rain. You know, there are other places now, the crops are really destroyed. Like by now, Simsim was ready, beans was ready, maize was ready, but this was destroyed. So we are going to see the flooding. Which area flooded, other thing has been destroyed. So we need to collect that data and inform government in time so that government prepare and know that this area will have a disaster of food shortage. So they will come out to see how to support.
And I know very well in this situation, we normally face also other factors like children. What appeal do you give to children and parents?
Now, parents should be very careful with the children. You know, before this rain, children are just small stream near their homes, which were not full. But they think they should go and swim. But now, at the moment, the level of water is not the same as usual. You can see as a child that this level is shallow, yet it is deep. So I would like to send my request to parents to take care of their children, because the rains here now everywhere is flooded. So for us not to miss children, for us not to have these children get problem, let us control them. Holidays is coming. I know today they are for holidays for 2 days, and they're everywhere in this stream to go for fishing, to do what. So parent, this is my appeal to all the parents, the mothers at home. Be careful, control your children, because this disaster is there and it is real. Thank you.